you looking for a dog or want to learn more about your canine companion? Hi, my name is Letitia Fox, the founder of Canine Colors. If you're looking for a furry friend, Canine Colors can help take the mystery out of finding the ideal dog for you and your family. Now more than ever, due to our stay-at-home quarantine, there is an increase of dogs being adopted, acquired, and fostered, which is incredible. Join the Canine Colors virtual webinar to learn about what dog is the ideal match for you. And if you already have a dog, then join us to discover your dog's personality. And as a bonus, you'll discover your personality. This is a fun activity to do while at home with your family and your furry friends. We have 2 virtual workshops to choose from. Just click on the link and you will find which one is right for you. And once you register, we will mail you the Canine Colors interactive book and send you an email link to join the workshop. We really look forward to seeing you at the virtual workshop, and don't forget to bring your furry friends.